guys, Captain Minecraft here, and welcome to a Minecraft Let's Play video. A video inside of my lovely world. And today, I'm gonna go fishing. In my last video, I wasn't able to fish because there was no fishes. But hopefully in this video, I'll complete the task. So, let's get a fire, throw, and throw. Okay, and now we gotta play the waiting game. I just don't know why there's no fishes out here. Usually there is, but I haven't even got one. Come on. I'll throw it right there. I'll throw it right there. It's not even on water, it's floating. Okay, I'll throw it right there. Ha! Okay, I'm just gonna throw it there. If I don't get a fish, I'm just gonna continue building my... Or go getting some wood. I don't know. Screw it. I don't know why I built this fishing place. Can't even get one fish. Is it all? I'm supposed to close. So yeah, in this video, I'm planning to build a shed. And by shed, I mean a shed. So what we're gonna need is wood and wooden stairs and a door, and I think wood. No, yeah. Okay, let's take a stack of wood, that should be plenty, and make some stairs. How do you make stairs again? How do you make stairs? Seriously guys, I have no idea how to make stairs. How do you make stairs? Are you kidding me? How the hell am I supposed to make stairs? Jeez. That's supposed to be how you make them. Like that. I have no idea how they make them. Oh, what the hell? Oh, now I get it. Let's see. Gonna need a lot of them. 16 should be enough. Okay. Let's just go to sleep. I don't want to work in the night because a lot of mobs will come out. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry. Okay, it's still night time. Okay, gotta leave bed and get to work. Okay, start working. There might be some googlies around, but I have self-defense weapons. So there's my small barn right here beside my house. I'm gonna build a shed. It's not gonna be massive. I'm not gonna. Here I might keep some stuff that I don't need, and hopefully. Yeah, I don't know what. Just leave stuff that like boxes and make it look like a shed, like build stuff here that I don't know that I don't need. And probably in my other videos, see that mushroom island right there in the distance. Yeah, I might explore that. Leave a comment in the comment section below if you want me to do it, and I actually will. So let's just jump up here and start placing this stairs. Oh my gosh, I could stand on the very edge. Okay, I'll be finished after I'm finishing the roof for my shed. Okay, I ran out of wood, so I'm just gonna take another stack and get back to building process. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna finish up the roof here, and then, so yeah, that's like gonna be the inside, and hopefully I'll be making an attic as well. Okay, now I just gotta get up on the top of the structure and finish off the roof. Oh crap. I want to see how it looks. That looks good enough. No guys, yeah, I'm just gonna leave the roof like this, and now I'm just gonna make some chests and make it look like a shed and not put lots of random stuff. So I'm gonna need another crafting table that I'll put there. I'm gonna need a chest, more than one actually. 1, 2, 3. That's enough. 3 chests. There's gonna be one big one and like a small one. It's not gonna be full with chests. Just gonna be a shed or anything. You could store anything here. So just gotta put the 2 chests here. Another one there. Yeah, it could be more like building area where I can come craft stuff. There's gonna be an anvil. I don't think I need a door. No, I actually do. Good that I have the crafting table here. I forgot that I had it, and I was gonna go to the house and make a door. Actually, I don't need the door because it kind of looks cool without a door, but I'll just put it there. Yeah, it looks much better. So yeah, I think this video is finished. I know this was really short and building a shed is not fun at all, but I hope you guys enjoyed anyway. In my next video I'll be exploring there, going to that island. If I look there, look at the left top corner, you can see a mushroom island right beside my house. So yeah, I know this video is really short and you probably didn't enjoy because all I was doing was building the shed and talking about blah 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 blah. But hopefully you enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Goodbye.